start with our next experiment. For this experiment, we need oil, water, and all three colors and string stick. So first step, we have to add color in the oil. First, yellow color, 2 drops. Then 2 drops of blue color. Now we need red color. Now we will mix it. We will try to mix it. See friends, the colors are not mixing. Do you know why? Because the color have different density than the oil. Now see friends. See friends, it's not mixing with the water. Now we have to wait for some time. The colors will go in water and spread. See friends, blue color is coming. Wow! It's looking like a rain coming down with from yellow clouds. Colorful rain. Wow! It's so beautiful. So beautiful. At the bottom there is a little bit green also because of yellow color. Wow! Whoa, so beautiful. One more red drop is coming down. Here it comes and boom! Blue color. And see this, guys, see this. There is one dark layer of red at the bottom and there is a little bit dark blue and purple over here. I think yellow color is less. I should add more yellow color. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop, 5 drop. Now this yellow color will work. Wait few minutes. Let's try stirring it, guys. Wow! So beautiful. No, wait. This yellow color. See, I'm pushing it down. It's going down. Whoa. The scenario is changing a little bit. Green color? The blue color is changing into green also now. See friends, do you know why does it happens? Because we know that water and oil doesn't mix, and generally oil floats on the water, and ink droplets are also water based. They are type of water. That's why the ink droplets were not mixing in the oil, and when I added to water, the ink droplets started spreading in the water down like colorful rain. Hope friends you liked my science experiments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos.